Hey guys, welcome back. Many people are still afraid of installing custom ROM on their phone. But guys, let me show you the features of the custom ROM. After seeing this feature, you will make a mind of installing custom ROM. So let's begin the video. So in this video, I will show you the features and good things about the custom ROM. And before starting the video, let me tell you the custom ROM is way better than your stock ROM. If possible, make use of official ROM because they are safe. Many people are using it and they are available, or their source code are available easily. So you can, if any issue, then you can just go to the XD and complain about it. But you will also get a support if you do something wrong or boot your phone boot loops. So you will also get a developer support. So if possible, then use the official ROM. You can use unofficial ROM, but the developer should be there of the ROM, and there should be a Telegram or Discord server that helps you to discuss the problem and bugs. So yeah. First and main feature of the custom ROM is you get a latest Android version along with the latest security patch. As I am shooting this video in April month, it's just April 9th as you guys can see, but still my phone is on March security patch, which is the latest one. Google just released the April security patch 2 days ago, so the developer are working their hard to patch the April security patch, so it will be available soon. So here I have the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is launched in back 2018, but still I am able to use the Android 12 along with the latest security patch of, as I told you, of March 5th, as you guys can see, and the Android 12. So these are the advantages of using custom ROM on the old device. You can get a latest Android version with the latest security patch on the Redmi Note 5 Pro like devices. So Android 9 and January 20. So another feature is you can get a support of the Gcam on the custom ROMs. So with the help of Gcam, you can click a really good camera shots compared to a stock camera application. So I will make a detailed video of comparing the stock camera and the Gcam. So yeah, this is the also advantage of the using custom ROM, that you can use Gcam on your phone. Nowadays, what smartphone company is doing that with the software update, they just degrade your smartphone performance, so you will not get the same performance that you got while you bought your phone newly. So with the help of the custom ROM, you can get raw performance from your device, means the performance that your device is supporting and your processor is capable of. So you will get a raw performance. What company do is they just degrade your processor performance and your phone start to lag, so you are forced to buy the new phones. But with the help of custom ROM, you will get a way better performance compared to your stock ROM. So if you have a phone that supports in-display fingerprint sensor, like my OnePlus 7 Pro supports in-display fingerprint sensor, so it works fine with the custom ROM. No issue with the fingerprint, face unlock, any other. And with the help of routing, you can increase or decrease the performance of your phone to get better battery life, or if you increase the performance, then you get better performance from your device. It's a kernel management thing. For that you will require a root, so that's possible with the help of custom ROM. And I have made a detailed video on how to root our Android phone, so please consider checking it. Another main advantage is, this is not an advantage, but yeah, you can flex among your friends that my phone restart faster than you. So take a look here, I just restarted my phone, and in just around 10 to 20 seconds it just boots up. So just flex with your friend that my phone boots up way faster than you. For if your friend has MIUI phone, then I guarantee your phone will boot faster than your friend's phone. So take a look, just taken around 10 seconds to just boot up, and my phone booted successfully. So if you use Pixel Experience custom ROM on your phone, so it has all Pixel goodies like themed icon, then you can get a Pixel wallpapers like this. So let me show you. So you get all the Pixel wallpapers like live wallpapers that Pixel 6 Pro has. You can use it on your phone. So here it is. These are the main features of using custom ROM. I definitely recommend to use a custom ROM in 2022 or further. You can get way better performance than your stock ROM, and installing custom ROM is way easy. So here it is. So thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.